Creating passive income with Claude AI is most definitely possible. But what no one tells you is that it actually takes a while. So I'm going to show you two examples, one from a case study, somebody else, and also the way that I did it. So the first example that I'm going to show you is Rabbi Goldman. Now, Rabbi Goldman is an AI avatar that somebody created. And this person, just from talking to people, Rabbi Goldman, whoever owns this, was actually making about $100,000 a month. And if you haven't seen Rabbi Goldman, I can give you an example of what Rabbi Goldman looks like. Okay, so this is what they were promoting all over social media. I'm pretty sure you have seen it on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now, this is just the video version of that. Okay, now the way that they were able to make the money wasn't from views. It was from a digital product. And I will show you what that digital product is. This is it right here. So as you can see, they have a $9 product, a $17 product, and a $27 product. Okay. Now, this guy became so big on social media. And as you saw, they reached 1.5 million followers in like a month or so. But because the Jewish community felt as though this was anti-Semitic, although they were just talking about money, Instagram deleted the account. Now, we're seeing this also on YouTube itself, where they may not delete the account, but what they will do is demonetize it so you can't get monetization. They'll run the ads on the video, but they'll take the monetization. But the passive part came from that digital product. And every time people watched the videos, came to the profile, they clicked on this link and they checked out the products. Okay. So, obviously all 1.5 million people didn't convert, but a small percentage, let's just say 1% or 0.5% converted into sales. Okay. So this is just one example of how you can do it. And to create this avatar, most likely they used, let's just say you can use Claude Cowork, right? Claude can create the script. And then it can set the automation up where it goes to a Higgs field. Higgs field generates the actual video itself, or Kling. Kling.ai is another example of a video generator. And they used 11 Labs, which is this website right here. As you can see at the top, 11 Labs is what creates the actual vocal. So you can actually create that automation, which it will go from Claude Cowork, building the script itself, over to 11 Labs to generate the voice. And then it goes to Kling or Higgs field to create the video to go with it. Okay. And just to give you all a live visual example, this is one that I literally created in several minutes that is very similar to the style of what these people are doing.
Here's what men forgot. You don't chase respect, T, you earn it. You lead with discipline, honesty, and self-control.
Now, you may or you should do this manually before you set up the automation so that you know that it works, okay, before you decide to automate it, because you could be working backwards. In that case, you want to have proof of concept always first. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is how I was able to do it, okay? Now, I'm not creating AI avatars, okay? So what you're looking at is the back end of my trading, right? I use AI to trade crypto futures, and I've shown this on the channel before, okay? How I'm able to make money using AI in the crypto futures market. Now, what people fail to realize is that it took me 6 months to build this out. Now, this isn't the entire back end, it's pages of it. And I actually blocked out some proprietary things that are here. But one thing that people fail to realize, although this is possible, it takes time. It took time for me to put all of these pieces to the puzzle, and each block that you see is a separate thing that is connected to the next thing. Now, I don't look at this and then try and figure out a way to trade. Okay. This is just the back end. I get a signal. It comes via text message. It also comes through a notification that says, hey, this right here is a great trade based on what came from your mind that, based on your strategy, this is the one right here. Okay. So I don't look at this. I just get the text message. Okay. And I have a choice. I can either manually do it, or I can have Claude actually go into the exchange and take the trade for me. Okay. But to be able to get to that point, it took me 6 months to build this. 6 months, 12 to 16 hours a day for 6 months. I was using Claude before Claude is what it is now. There wasn't any, oh, can you do it for me? Right. It can open the browser and do certain things, or do certain things on the computer for you. I had to actually manually do the majority of this stuff by myself with the help of Claude. Now, that kind of leads me to the next point. The majority of people think that we are using artificial intelligence. We're not. Claude, ChatGPT, any of these so-called AI platforms, they are not actual AI. They are machine learning. Okay. We will never have actual intelligence. Now, these companies, they may have actual intelligence, but we have what's called machine learning. And I figured that out once I figured out how Claude actually works. You have to actually teach it. That's why it's machine learning. I had to teach it my strategies. Now, Claude is very resourceful. It's resourceful. But if it was actual intelligence, you wouldn't have to teach it anything. Claude actually pulls from the internet. It pulls from Google. It pulls from different sources when you ask it questions. Otherwise, if it was true intelligence, I would be able to say, hey, how can I go back in time? Hey, how can I revive the dead homies? Right? That's actual intelligence. But what we have access to is machine learning. I had to teach it my trading strategy, provide different things, and we were able to build an actual system. And again, 12 to 16 hours a day for 6 months straight for it to be in position to become passive. And that's the thing that the road that people have to cross. And unfortunately, most people aren't willing to sit down and put the time in and the work and actually teach the artificial intelligence, which is really machine learning, how to actually put these pieces together and get it through trial and error to actually understand. And, I don't just have this in the cryptocurrency market. It's also in the options market as well. And I know somebody's going to ask me, hey, can I buy that from you? It's going to be, between $25,000 and $50,000 and, cash or Bitcoin. And as far as the options, it's going to be 100,000. The options one was very difficult. It took multiple minds and multiple claws to even put that thing together. Okay. So that's going to be like 100 grand. I'm just being 100% honest with you. 2 ways in the passive income. You're either going to put the time into it or you're going to already have to have the money to do it. Now, it is very possible to do, but you have to already have it in your mind. And then the resourcefulness of the machine learning can actually help you put it together. It took a long time. And just look at this, right? Each of these blocks is a different piece of information and a different piece of automation. Okay, so each of these things had to be individually crafted, and Claude is kind of slow. Codex is faster. But again, it's a bunch of trial and error to get there. And that's the most important thing, is to actually start and then don't stop until you actually get to the end goal. So there's multiple avenues to do this, multiple. And I showed you all with the Rabbi Goldman. This person did it faceless. And obviously, I don't have to show my face on it. This is something that I built out myself. And, you don't really need social media for this. But, the building of it, right? And then the monthly maintenance on this is $2,500 a month, because in order to get the real information fast by the second, you got to pay for it. Unfortunately. Now, if you're building an AI avatar and you are selling something like this, then there is no monthly maintenance. But what you see with Rabbi Goldman, there's a back end that looks something like this. It may not have this many steps or this many components, but there's a back into it. There is a mechanism, right? Because like, you see me visually, you see my face, but I have a brain. So it's the same thing, even with building this Rabbi person with this digital product. There are steps. Okay, Claude Cowork does this job. Then it kicks over to 11 Labs, which generates the vocal. Then it kicks over to Kling or whatever. Then it kicks from there, and it has to be split up. Okay, It may make one video that's vertical. Well, if it's going to upload to YouTube, it has to be landscape, right? So there's multiple steps, and you actually have to sit down and get Claude to understand. And you have to mind map and map these things out for them to work. You got to make a bunch of different connections, and it takes time, right? Like this person may have been building all of this several months before the actual launch. And then once it launches, well, now you have to go through trial and error, fix any bugs, fix any things that may not work initially, and actually put time into it. And this is just an example. There are thousands of people that are doing this with these AI avatars. Thousands of people. There's entire communities of this. You can look up on YouTube, you can look up on Instagram, making money with AI avatars. Okay. There's, if I go to YouTube right now and, so as you can see right here, 1.2 million followers, 30 days, 0 ads. He's not real. He's not the only one, right? So if I type in AI avatar, make money, right? And you're going to see a bunch of videos, right? She made $10 million with 2.3 million followers, right? So this person, if they're on Instagram, you're not making that much money from the views. You're making money from having some sort of digital product, right? The views is just the gateway where the people come into. But once they're in, okay, well, how do you monetize that, right? There's multiple examples of this, right? $17,000, right? At AI avatar, creating him, I made $20,000, right? So you have the digital product, but then once you have the following, you also have companies that reach out to you, say, hey, I see you have this large Instagram account. Can you promote this product? Okay. And all you're doing is creating an automation that creates a following, right? And here's another one. She made an AI clone, $10,000 a month. Now, some people may not believe it, but I actually believe it. I believe it. Once you understand how to do this thing and you actually sit down and mine it out and make all of the connections, you can make money with it. I don't care if it's the stock market. I don't care if it's AI avatars. I don't care if it's a business that you already have and you want to remove some of the work off of your shoulders that you're physically doing, right? That can actually, increase the output. Okay. It can be done and it can turn into passive, but you're not going to do it with one prompt. I'm telling you that right now. That whole one prompt thing, what's the prompt? What's the prompt? That is complete bullshit. The reason why is because this is not true intelligence. This is machine learning. Once you understand that it is machine learning, then you know and understand that you have to teach it so that the machine can learn. Okay. So with that being said, there's multiple videos out here about this. And again, there's a lot of people doing it. There's one that is very, very popular. It's a black guy. And he's like a godfather giving game on relationships. That's another one that's doing very well. And he's selling a digital product, teaching people how to create these avatars and then monetize them multiple ways. Okay. So I just wanted to just show you all this, that, it is something that is very possible. But the question is, are you going to do it? And are you going to take the time to perfect it? And again, it doesn't have to be the AI avatar. It can be anything to generate that income. So I just wanted to just touch on this because I'm seeing this on the internet. Everybody's looking for a one prompt way to create passive income through using artificial intelligence or machine learning, whatever you want to call it. But I'm showing you that it is possible. Okay. But you actually got to sit down, know what you want to do, and you have to put the steps together and try it, test it, rebuild. So what you start with, you most likely won't end with, right? Because the more you do it, the better it gets, the better it understands, the better the output becomes. Okay. Stay down. Do not give up. Thanks for watching.